Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Molecular, structural and condensed formula of the hydrocarbons. Now we consider the first organic compound is methane. Its molecular formula is CH4. And we write the condensed formula of the CH4 in the same way, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. When we have to make the structural formula of the methane, so we see there is only 1 carbon. Now the valency of carbon is 4. So the 4 hydrogen atoms are satisfied with the carbon in this way. There are the 4 hydrogens which are linked covalently with the carbon. So in this way we say the carbon is tetravalent and methane is considered to be as the saturated hydrocarbon. In the same way, when we have to make the molecular formula of the ethane, second compound is ethane. The molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. Now there are the 2 carbons and 6 hydrogen. We have to write the condensed formula in this way, CH3CH3. And we have a need to make the structural formula of the ethane. So in the ethane, when we see there are the 2 carbon atoms are bonded in this way. So with the 1 carbon atom we see the 1 bond of this carbon atom is connected with this carbon atom, so 3 valency of carbon is remaining. So we have to complete the valency of carbon is 4. So 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded with the carbon atom in this way. So 3 carbon atoms are also bonded with this carbon atom in this way. So we complete the valency of carbon 4 of the both carbon atoms. Now each carbon atom in this ethane compound is tetravalent. So we count the number of hydrogen atom in this way. There are the 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded with this carbon atom, 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded with this carbon atom. There are the 6 hydrogens. So next compound we have to write the next compound, that is named as propane. What is the molecular formula of the propane? C3H8. So condensed formula of the propane is CH2 is bonded with the CH3 and CH2 is bonded with the CH3. Now we have to make the structural formula of the propane. How do we make the structural formula of the propane? There are the 3 carbon atoms. We have to write the 3 carbon atoms in this way. Now we have to complete the valency of carbon. We say the valency of carbon is tetravalent. So we have to see here the 1 valency of carbon is connected with this carbon atom. 3 hydrogen atoms we have to give here. So this carbon atom is tetravalently completed. So when we are moving with the next carbon atom, so we see the 1 valency of 1 carbon atom is satisfied with this carbon atom, 1 valency of this carbon atom is satisfied with this carbon atom. We have to give here the 2 hydrogen atoms here. Now the last carbon atom we have to see here, we have to complete the valency of this carbon atom as well. Remaining hydrogens we have to give here 3 hydrogen atoms. So in this way we will make the structural formula of the propane. We have to complete the 8 hydrogen atoms. We count the number of hydrogen atoms are 8 here.